Hello everyone, Nikhil this side from Coding Beams. So in this video we are going to discuss about the hoisting in JavaScript. So what exactly is the hoisting? So hoisting is a concept in which the variables and the functions can be used even before declaring them. So we can use some variables and the functions even before declaring them also. So the JavaScript compiler moves these variables and the functions at the top. So this is the default behavior of the JavaScript that moves the variables and the functions at the top of our code of the scope, and the declarations of the variables only moves to the top and not the initialization, because the initialization is done later in the code, and the function definitions moves first even before the variables. So the first they will be the functions and then the variables will be declarations after that. And why do we need it? So because the functions and the variables which are declared are moved to the top regardless of their scope. So now we will see it in the code that why exactly do we need them and when do we need that. So now we are in the Visual Studio Code. If I will now declare a new variable, or if I will now directly assign the first name equals to the John, and if I will now just console.log the first name and if I will now declare the first name after initialization of the variable like the first name, so then if I will now save, then you will see the John in the console window because the variable declarations are moved to the top. And if I will now declare a new function here with the function and then the get name, and then the parameters will be blank, and if I will now console.log that my name is John, and now if I will now save, and if I will now go before the functional declaration and the variable declaration as well, and if I will now call the get name here, then you will see it will be run because the function declarations are also moved to the top. So these are about the hoisting and how it works. So and about that, if we are declaring a function expression, like if we are declaring a new function via the variables like where runner equals to the get name, so we are assigning the get name to the runner variable, and if I will now remove this, or if I will now change here the runner, then if I will save, then it will give us the error because in the JavaScript only the simple functions are hoisted and not the function expressions. So these are about the hoisting. And why do we need that? Because if we are building a real-time application, then sometimes we need that because the JavaScript is dynamically typed language. So if we are declaring a new properties or some variables, then we need that in the JavaScript. So these are about the hoisting in JavaScript and how it works and why we need that. So about the hoisting, the variable declarations are moved to the top of any code in the JavaScript. So the declaration moves to the top. So these are about the JavaScript hoisting. So thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope you will like the video, and guys please subscribe to our channel if you are new.